Hello food lovers, welcome back to Healthy Stuff. Today we're whipping up a crowd-pleasing treat, pepperoni pizza rolls with a dreamy garlic butter dip. These cheesy bites are perfect for game day, parties or family snacks. Let's dive in. Here's what you'll need for 12 pizza rolls. 400g refrigerated pizza dough or homemade if you're feeling fancy. 100g pepperoni slices, 200g shredded mozzarella cheese, and 100 milliliters marinara or pizza sauce. For the garlic butter dip, 50g unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper. You'll also need a baking tray, parchment paper, and a pastry brush. Got everything? Let's get rolling! Step 1. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. Line a tray with parchment. Roll your dough on a lightly floured surface to roughly 25 by 35 centimeters, about a quarter-inch thick. Keep it snug but not paper thin. Step 2. Spread a thin layer of marinara, leaving a 1 centimeter border. Layer on the pepperoni evenly. Thick deli slices add extra flavor. Then sprinkle 200 grams of mozzarella, generously but don't overstuff, or they may burst. Step 3. Starting from the long side, roll tightly into a log and pinch the seam to seal. Use a sharp serrated knife to cut into 12 equal rolls, about 2 centimeters thick. Step 4. Place the rolls cut side up, around 5 centimeters apart. They'll puff up as they bake. Now let's make that garlic butter to brush on before baking. In a small saucepan, melt 50 grams of unsalted butter over low heat. Add 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper. Stir until fragrant, about 1 minute. Brush half the garlicky goodness over the rolls now and save the rest for after baking. Pop the tray into the oven and bake for 15 to 18 minutes until golden and bubbly. Watch them puff and the cheese start to bubble, so satisfying. Once out, brush the remaining garlic butter over the hot rolls for extra shine and flavor. Look at those beauties. Serve these pizza rolls warm with the garlic butter dip and extra marinara on the side. They're perfect for sharing or not. Pro tip, sprinkle Parmesan or red pepper flakes for a spicy kick. These are guaranteed to disappear fast at any gathering. Want to mix it up? Try olives, jalapenos, or Italian sausage for a twist. You can assemble ahead. Refrigerate up to a day and bake when ready. To freeze, bake, cool, and store up to 3 months. Reheat at 180 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. Don't microwave, they'll get soggy. Quick recap, variations, make-ahead options, and proper reheating. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, and share. Your comments and shares help us bring more delicious recipes. What's your favorite pizza topping? Let us know in the comments. See you next time for more tasty adventures.